Despite having its license suspended by the Department of Health, Daybreak is still keeping its doors open. The Department of Health says the suspension comes from a failure to cooperate in investigations related to patient safety, concerns, and staff misconduct. Patients and families are stuck in the middle of the battle tonight. Vanessa Perez joins us with a potential alternative and plans from the state.
Daybreak filed its own suit in court. It included statements from patients and families. They talk about their struggles with alcohol and substance abuse. They said Daybreak saved their lives, and it's likely they would relapse if it shuts down.
The kids are under tremendous stress, and they and their parents are under heightened states of anxiety, which is exactly the opposite of what you want for kids that are in recovery.
Daybreak was told to find a plan to move or discharge patients within 4 days. Daybreak argues finding a plan over Memorial Day weekend was impossible, leaving uncertainty inside the building. Half of the patients receive Medicaid. They won't be able to find a suitable treatment elsewhere.
I think the question that I have is, why would the Department of Health manufacture an artificial crisis, cause all this disruption to the treatment of kids that are in desperate need of treatment?
The Department of Health says it's working with other facilities across the state.
We need Daybreak to step up and cooperate with us on that patient movement so that those smooth transitions happen.
A Thurston County Superior Judge filed a temporary restraining order Thursday. It maintains that Daybreak's license is temporarily suspended. DOH says it'll serve the order and wants to support the facility in next steps.
We are deeply concerned about these youth and very concerned about their well-being as well as patient safety. We want them to receive quality behavioral health services, and this action has been weighing very heavily on us as well.
At the center of it all, the patients. If Daybreak closes its doors, there will be a major hole to fill.
So it's definitely going to send a rift through our community. We already have wait lists at most of the facilities, and plenty of adolescents and people in general who are needing services that are fighting through barriers to get them.
Imagine by North Point in Spokane Valley is licensed in mental health and substance abuse disorders. Clinic treats 12 to 17-year-olds, mainly addressing mental health concerns. Min Chow says they could help patients from Daybreak. Daybreak's attorney says he's confident a judge will look at the suspension order and find it baseless. He says the order is invalid, that there's no requirement Daybreak closes until a judge fully reviews the issues. Reporting in the studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.